Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I got to do this climate control. So I'm going to start on this blend door motor because that thing is weird. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. So let me try to get that straight and go from there. This is somewhat of a jigsaw puzzle. I got this gear piece in here. This sticks in the side of the thing, and there's a piece that rides in this track here that opens up the defrost. Then I got that in place. Then I had to put this arm on here, yellow spacer in, red spacer out. I had to get that hook in that track and that hook in that arm over there. Then I had to turn that thing to make sure it was hitting right. Now I got to get this motor up here. This is keyed, so it's only going to go in one way. So I got to get this motor on here and press it in. It presses in kind of hard. And then secure the motor with the 3 points that it secures to with these little screws. I guess I got the screws in the door here, but this tip is going to go forward and these two tips are going to go aft. So let me position this motor in here, press it in firmly. That'll hold all that stuff in place. Then I'm going to secure the motor with a couple of screws, and then I'm going to hook it up and test it. It's a little complicated. I had to look at the way this was positioned to determine the way I had to get the motor. And the motor was pointed, I would say the one hole versus these back two was twisted more like right now, if it's 9 o'clock, it was twisted more almost 11 o'clock. And I had to fit it in there and then start turning it back to get it to fall in the right position. So I believe it's in the right position now. So I'm gonna put a couple screws in it, then I'm gonna plug the plug in, and then I'm gonna try to test it, see if it works. I got all 3 of those screws in there. I actually got them in with this. We're gonna go ahead and fire the car up and test this thing. I'm gonna start the car, see if it moves without hooking up my system tester, and go from there. Key's in it, so let's fire it up, see if this linkage moves. Sometimes it goes into like a test mode and moves around. I don't see anything moving now, and we got an AC light blinking. Let's go ahead and select defrost, see what happens. Let's select the feet. I don't see anything moving, so let me hook up my VST and see if it'll resync or something. Seems like it's running adjustments. It's changing the temperature for sure. It's gone full hot. It says they're adjusted. Let's go to defrost and see what happens. Yeah. Definitely air blowing up there. Definitely got air blowing up here. Now I'm gonna take it to floor, see if that changes. No air blowing up there now. See where that is. Let's go back to defrost. And it's going back up to defrost. That's good. Got air blowing up there again. Alright, we should be good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.